So, the Orvyla Portable AC is basically marketed as a compact way to cool down your room without installing a traditional air conditioner. It sounds convenient, but the marketing can make these small units seem more powerful than they really are. The biggest thing I'd check is the actual cooling capacity. A genuinely portable air conditioner needs to move heat somewhere, usually through an exhaust hose. If it's more like a small evaporative cooler, it may make the air feel cooler without actually lowering the room temperature very much. I'd also look at the room size it's designed for, noise level, power consumption, water requirements, and whether it needs proper ventilation. A tiny unit might be useful for personal cooling, but don't expect it to replace a full-size AC in a large, hot room. So, is Orvyla worth buying? It could be useful if you want something compact for personal cooling, but I'd verify exactly what type of cooling technology it uses before spending your money. Overall, the idea is convenient, but don't judge a portable AC by the marketing photos alone. Check the cooling specifications and real-world reviews first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.